Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and be a part of my journey. In this video, I will show you how to draw hair step by step. And this video is exclusive for beginners who is struggling to draw hair. Before I start, I will show you what pencil or tools I am using. Well, for the pencil, you can use any product or any brand of art pencil. For example, I am using this Faber-Castell Rensol sketching pencil and art line. Choose any kind of product that you feel like it's comfortable for you. To start off, we will need a mechanical pencil. If not, an HB pencil for the outline. And for the more darker area, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B. Well, let me show you the difference between HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B. As you can see here, this is HB pencil. It is used for drawing outline, light shading, and add soft strokes while drawing hair. This is 2B pencil. Well, I use 2B pencil while drawing hair for adding depth and final details. And I often use 2B and HB pencil together to create shadows and definition. This is 4B pencil. It is very soft and it produces dark, smooth, and bold strokes. I use it to draw the deepest shadows between hair strands, and it helps me to create contrast, making the hair look more realistic. 6B pencil is softer than 4B, and it creates very dark, intense strokes, and it is also used to enhance the darkest shadows and final details. Well, lastly but not the least, 8B pencil is extremely soft and very dark, and it produces very deep, bold black stroke, so it is used for the deepest shadows of the hair. As you can see in my video, there is a clear difference between HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B pencil. Now that I've explained, let's start the drawing. Before that, we will also need a soft makeup brush for blending and to make the hair look realistic. This as well for cleaning the dust, pencil eraser, or mechanical pencil eraser for creating highlights and fine hairlines. To begin with, let's start with HB pencil. As you can see here, I have already drawn the outline. I am using an HB pencil to draw light stroke at the start. You can also use a 2B pencil depending on your reference, but it is usually better to start with HB so you can erase any mistake easily. Once you are satisfied with the outline, you can move on to the darker pencil. Here is the reference I am working from. Use it to observe where the hair is light and where it is dark. And according to the reference, give strokes, and while you are drawing, go slow, don't rush. Observe the reference carefully and draw the strokes. Being an artist means having patience. Well, I love doing art to practice patience. While drawing, I learned to slow down, line by line, stroke by stroke, and today, art is my hobby and my therapy. Well, don't skip the video and watch till the end. To draw this, I took more than 40 minutes, and this is not a real-time video. I forward it to save time. After every stroke, use soft makeup brush for blending. And after you are done with the blending, you can go for 4B pencil for more darker areas. Now I am using 4B pencil to draw strokes after I am satisfied with HB pencil. By using 4B pencil, add more dark strokes. As you can see here in the reference and my drawing, I have had some more darker strokes. Do the same process again and again. Now use 6B pencil to make some areas more darker according to the reference, and do the same process. Now use a B pencil and repeat the same process. After giving strokes and blending with 8B, use pencil eraser to erase some strokes, creating highlights according to the reference. Well, this was a quick tutorial for beginners. And if you want more videos on how to draw realistic hair, please comment down below. I'll leave a link in your comment as well as on my description. I also have an Instagram page where you can get your portrait for free. All you have to do is follow me and leave a comment, draw me. Link on my description. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.